Hi everyone, I'm Preston and this is Mr. Sun. Say hi, Mr. Sun.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Sun.
I already said your name twice.
You did?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Anyway, today we're going to teach you some English conversation.
English conversation.
Mr. Sun has been teaching English for over 25 years, right, Mr. Sun?
That's right. And right now, if you sign up, you get 20% off your
It's not the right time.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So what are we teaching today, Mr. Sun?
We're going to be teaching something very important, but something super simple. Meeting somebody for the first time.
That's right. Knowing how to meet and greet someone properly can make a great first impression.
And we'll show you what to do in case somebody comes to meet you first.
Why don't you give us an example of a basic greeting, Mr. Sun?
Sure. Maybe you could say something like, "Hey, how are you?" Or, "Hey, how's it going?"
And if someone says back to you, how would you respond?
You know what? Why don't we just do a demonstration for everyone to see?
Great idea! Let's do that! First, we'll show you some things not to do. Hi, I'm Preston. What's your name?
I'm Mr. Sun.
Nice to meet you. Hey, look what's behind you.
Huh? Hey!
In this first interaction, I went up to Mr. Sun with a ton of energy and excitement, showing that I'm happy to meet him. However, Mr. Sun responded with a low energy level, which made me feel weird, so I tricked him and ran away. Take a look at our next interaction. Hi, I'm Preston. What's your name?
I'm Mr. Sun. It's nice to meet you.
What? What is your name?
I said my name is Mr. Sun. To meet you.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I said my name is Mr. Sun. It's nice to meet you.
Could you speak up? Louder! Louder!
I said my name is Mr. Sun. It's nice to meet you.
This time when I approached Mr. Sun, he spoke way too softly and I couldn't hear him. After I asked him to speak up repeatedly, he finally did, but it was too loud which hurt my ears, so he ran away with a ton of embarrassment. Take a look at our last interaction. Hi, I'm Preston. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Mr. Sun. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. So what brings you here today?
Oh, I'm just here making a video with a student.
Oh really? What's the video about?
We're making a video teaching people how to make new friends.
And how's it going?
I think it's going well.
Me too. As you can see, this interaction was perfect. I introduced myself to Mr. Sun, and Mr. Sun responded with a matching energy and clear, loud voice. This led to a great conversation. Remember, matching energy and a clear, loud voice with a new friend can lead to a meaningful connection. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!